Hello, I'm Hank with Urban Surfaces, and we are excited to introduce the newest collection in our product lineup, Urban Essentials. Now, more than ever, with the addition of Urban Essentials, we have become your one-stop source for flooring necessities. Okay, let's start with our adhesives. First off, we've got Prism. Prism is a firm set adhesive. Firm set gives you ability to do repairs down the road when needed. It also has color change technology built right into the product. It's waterproof, antimicrobial. The product has a 12-hour working time, giving your installer the ability to work at his own pace. And it also has a high moisture tolerance. Again, this is Prism, our firm set adhesive. Okay, next up we have Everlast. Now, Everlast is our hard set adhesive. It's a commercial grade bond, which is suitable for heavy traffic. Now, this is a high strength elastomeric bond. It also has a 3-hour working time, which is a little bit different than Prism. It's very similar to Prism in that it's antimicrobial and waterproof. You also get the color change technology built right into it. So that's Everlast. It's our hard set adhesive, great for commercial use. And finally, we have Omni. Now, Omni is our worry-free adhesive and moisture barrier. This is a one-step application product, which does away with that two-part epoxy we've been using for years. This product has unlimited moisture protection, which is kind of neat because you don't need to test for moisture. You can just install this stuff right away. It's a great product for commercial use. Again, this is Omni, our adhesive and moisture barrier. Let's move on to our primers and subfloor coatings. First off, we have Advantage. Advantage is a subfloor primer. It primes porous substrates, which include gypcrete, approved plywoods, OSB, particle board, and even gypsum. There's no testing for pH involved because you get pH and alkali protection. It also bonds the adhesive to the subfloor, of course. This is Advantage. It's our subfloor primer. Next, we have Trilogy. Trilogy is a multi-purpose primer. This is, quite frankly, a simple way to protect what's on top. There's no pH testing required because it's a pH blocker. It also provides up to 95% moisture protection, and it also primes porous substrates just like Advantage does, or you can use it as an encapsulator. It encapsulates cutback and more. It inhibits mold and mildew growth. It's a great multi-purpose primer. This is Trilogy. Next up, we have Infinity. Infinity is our moisture protection product. There is no moisture or pH testing required. It goes on with a 3/8" nap roller. It's a great alternative to the 6mm plastic we've been using. It is one of the most aggressive vapor barriers on the market today, offering 100% moisture protection. This is Infinity, our moisture protection product. Next up, we have Infuse. Infuse is our encapsulator and primer. Now, this product is built to tackle many challenges, like detackifying existing adhesive. It also encapsulates cutback. It primes your subfloor for a great bond. And for those difficult to bond surfaces, it has a nice textured finish built right into it. It offers pH and alkali protection. There's no pH testing required prior to use. Simply roll it on with a 3/8" nap roller and you're good to go. This is Infuse, our encapsulator and primer. Now that we've talked about adhesives, primers, encapsulators, let's move on and talk about a few specialty products we've added to our collection. First up, we have Ascend. Ascend is our wall adhesive. Now, in today's ever-changing world of interior design, we now offer a product that takes a selection of our vinyl planks to new heights. Ascend bonds our LVP to vertical surfaces, creating a strikingly unique aesthetic for your walls. This is Ascend, our wall adhesive. Next, we have Stronghold. Stronghold is our molding and stair tread adhesive. Now, this product has a high-strength elastomeric bond. It comes in a tube. It's resistant to high alkalinity. It's a wet set, early grab, fast curing product. This is Stronghold, our molding and stair tread adhesive. Okay, and the last of our specialty products is Traction. Traction is our subfloor grip coating. This product gives you a strong horizontal grip without the need for glue. The primer is integrated right into the product. It offers 90% moisture protection. It's quick and easy to install with a 3/8" nap roller. This is a smart choice for loose lay vinyl. This is Traction, our subfloor grip coating. So that's every product in our new Urban Essentials line. To find out more about all of our products, you can visit our website at urbansurfaces.com, or you can give us a call at 1-800-492-8722. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos from us at Urban Surfaces.